Bitcoin, has we already hit the low? Today I'm going to give you the insights and when Bitcoin actually come back to the bull run. Today I'm going to give you the honest insights from the chart. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset to help you make more, learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. We look at Bitcoin. We look at weekly chart first because we don't have. It's not easy to have a full signal with daily chart. So now we look. Let's say you don't have my indicator, so you can see this is a downward trend. So far we're still inside, and somehow we did not touch the upper channel yet. Usually it should, when they hit the low channel, they should come back unless it is very weak. Okay, so now I'm going to use my indicator to check any signal. So now I use my indicator. So first thing we look is the blue line. What is the market cycle look like? We are in the downward trend. We are not just downward trend, we are in the downward market cycle, basically. So here is the end of the whole bull market, and here is the downward cycle. So the strategy is a bit different, right? It's downward. The blue line is downward. It means first, you should not have 100% all-in strategy. Second, this is not a long hold strategy. We are catching a rebound. Okay, as long as the blue is still going downward, we do fast. Okay, so another thing, we look at the red. When the red change direction, this is our trading point. So for example, here, this is our trading point. For example, here, this is the point to sell, even we have a down here. Okay, so this red is YM Club Fast to tell you very fastly, to tell you, hey, this is upward or this is going to downward for a couple of months. This moment, we are still in the downward. We are still in the downward. Another thing I want to show you is the purple candle here. The purple candle here basically to tell you, hey, we oversold. Once we close above the purple candle, this we have a chance. But we need to match other indicator as well because this may come back very quickly. Okay, let me show you. So when our strategy is when this purple, when we close above the last purple, I always say check the YM big buy and also YM cheapest. The ideally is this above zero and this like the red go above the purple. Okay, the best of course they change the direction. This moment, do we have anything of this? No. So it means even they go above, it's very likely they come back down because money is not catching up. The YM big buy check only the big volume trade. So this is how crazy it is. We don't have an up signal neither. So it means we not yet start the up run. The red still going downward. Okay. So we have YM chip entry. It means institution come in here, institution come in here, but it doesn't mean they start right away to raise, okay? It just tell you this is a relative low point. When we do investment or trading, we have two strategy. One, either you follow the trend, but you're not buying at the lowest, but you're buying at relative low point. The second strategy is the institution using. They calculate because they have unlimited resources. So they calculate, hey, this is the low. Hey, this is the low. So they start the position here. They start another position here. But it doesn't mean they cannot have the third point to buy. So something we need to be aware. And my favorite strategy is to wait when they have a confirmation to say going up minimum if you want to catch the rebounds. If you have Bitcoin and you can wait when they go up, then when they change the direction to downward, this is the sell point because the blue is still going downward. When we look to the left, okay, you can see all the example. What is the example here? So 1, 2, 3. So basically it's like here, okay, 1, 2, 3. So we're quite similar to 1, 2, 3. When they go down here, okay, the red change data is very similar. I would say, look at here. We have two bunch of green in YM chip entry, okay? And then they go up, but very, very carefully. We don't have an up until here, rather than here, okay? Of course, you can add 10% here. And the money is not catching up and they come down again to retest the support. And this is the pawns, they go above the red, the blue, sorry, they go above the blue. Okay, the blue still going downward. And they come down again a little bit. And here they go up. So you see, when the blue go downward, we use red line as a trade strategy. So what does it mean? When they go above the blue, you can add your position. Okay, you add. Oh, they change to downward, but the blue still go downward. Then you sell. You use the red to sell. Okay, when the red line change the direction, or when you drop below the red line, you can start to reduce your position. Neither way. And then they have a up. Okay, something starting to be interesting. We have a lot of Y entry again. And here they go, they change direction here. Is it too late to buy? No. But is it the lowest point? No. Okay, it's never too late because the blue just start to change the direction. The red change direction here, right? We above the blue, so you can add your position again here. And then after that, the blue slowly changing the direction, and then you can enjoy the very long bull one. When do you sell it? So either you sell when the blue change direction because you buy low enough, or you, if you like to maximize your profit, you can sell when the red change the direction, or when they drop below the red past the yellow disappear. Okay, here, and then you buy back here. Okay, or you just use the blue to catch the whole market cycle until here. Is it clear? So it's a very clear strategy, very easy. So right now, where are we right now? So we look like we are around here. We not yet changed the direction. So you will take some time for Bitcoin. Even we go up here, right? So here is about 21,000 or 20,000. 20,000, they go up, they go to 25, which is quite good profit already, 20 to 25. But this is not the market cycle. You are just doing a wave, a short wave for weekly chart. That's it. You're just trading this part. You're not trading the whole market cycle. If you want to eat the big fish, watch out for the big cycle. Because this, okay, to be honest, 20 to 25 is really good profit. But if you want to catch the big fish from 22,000 all the way to here, when they change direction, you sell. You are selling, let's say you're selling at the lowest price here, okay, which is 98,000, 98,000, 98, I'm sorry, 99,000 actually. So you are catching the whole market cycle. The purple line is also tell you the market cycle, but they are less sensitive, okay? Blue is also good. So is it cool? I mean, is it cool you catching the whole thing? If you want to catch this, if you want to invest like a big investor, you do the market cycle. But the small one is not bad also, okay? Because sometimes people get bored or people love to trade. I tell you, more you trade, um, more you trade doesn't mean you have more profits. You waiting the golden opportunity to trade. Because more you trade, it's higher opportunity you lose the money. You have less capital to invest. So we need to wait. So that's why sometimes I try not to, when I upload the video, when you watch my video, I try to upload every day. Not every day I have a signal. No. Sometimes I tell you to wait. Why? Because it's not the golden opportunity. I don't want you to catch small fish, but you have a big risk. I don't want you to do that. I want you to catch the big fish. Of course, people complain, hey, you don't give market signal really often, not daily. There's no daily market signal for you to buy. Usually either to hold or to wait. Okay, so this is quite is a good mindset to have when you do invest and trade or swing trade. Okay, invest, we look at the longer time frame, monthly chart. When we look at the monthly chart or weekly chart, we look for the blue or purple to look at the big cycle. This is invest. This is investor. If you do trader, you can look at daily chart. Okay, weekly chart is still fine. When you do downward, you want to catch 20 to 25, which is cool also, but you need to be good. You need to have strategy. You need to have indicator. So if you don't have my indicator, you can click the link in the description. You can subscribe it. My channel is to I mainly want to focus on uh the indicator, the technical analysis, rather than fancy website development. So I want to focus on the YouTube video I provide you every day, or I want to give you the best content, but I'm not fancy marketing guy. Okay, so I'm trying to be, but I just want to give you more content, which is can help you rather than a fancy website or fancy marketing or fancy video auditing. Okay, I don't have those kind of time and energy for those. So back to the point, can we buy right now if you're an investor? If you want to catch the big wave, this is not the time to buy. But again, when you catch the big wave, this is not the lowest price. It's never the lowest price, okay? But this is the safest price for you to entry. Does it make sense? Because when you buy here, you always think you are buying at the lowest, you know. But are we? You have time cost also. How about the time cost? You never think about time cost, do you? So this, this, and this, when you buy, is fine, but you trade with the red. Some people prefer to long hold because they don't have my indicator, which is still fine if you have time to wait, if you have a patient. I don't have objection for that. It's your choice. But if you want to be easy, because my indicator to tell you 10 seconds, tell you, hey, where's the buy point, where's the sell point, easily. I come here to save your time so you can have time to spend with your family, do your hobby, rather than so busy, become a slave to look at the chart to do all kind of analyze. Okay, I want you to save time. So 10 seconds to tell you, hey, what strategy is this? This is not a long hold strategy if you buy here. Number one, because the blue is still going downward. Number two, have we started to raise? The answer is no, because weekly chart, they don't have full signal. Daily chart, we do. Now we go back to the daily chart because many people like to do short trade or day trade. So come back here. First thing, the purple still go downward, means super long term, we are going downward trend. The blue, we going upward. It means we have a chance to have a way to go up. Okay? But this is daily chart, by the way. This is not a monthly chart or weekly chart. So something we need to be aware, how long is this wave? Because the super long term is still going downward. Okay? Second, we have a down signal here. The red going downward. Okay, this moment the red is still going downward. Do we have any buy signal here? My question to you, think, do we have buy signal here? Oh, we have YM entry here. Oh, we have purple candle here. But do we have buy point here? They did have buy point here, here. And then they go up. But now do we have buy point? The answer is no. Because we have a down signal here, right? So this is a sell signal. And we drop here. Money is not above zero. This is big volume trade. We need to trade when they go above zero. And institution holding, they are still weak because the red is institution. This purple is average. Okay, so this week, and so how to pull up the price? Okay, how to pull up the price? Some people say, oh, but we are standing on the support blue line. Yeah, support. Yeah, but it may take some time. I come here to make money. I'm not coming here to take the support. Okay, so when you buy here, let's say you buy here, money is not catching up. Big institution, they're not buying. Big volume trader, they're not buying. How become pull up the price? How? There's no way they can pull up the price unless this getting strong, this getting strong. Does it make sense? Okay, so this is the update for Bitcoin. I hope you enjoyed this video. And myself, just waiting the trading signal here. Then you can catch something. Okay, when they change the direction, when the red change downward again, let's say they go upward, when they change direction, as long as the blue still going downward, we sell it. I sell it. This is not a recommendation for any trade. This is just an education. and just personal sharing. Don't follow my trade if you don't have a strategy. Learn before you earn or subscribe to the indicator. Do the trade, look at the chart yourself. Don't listen to me, okay? So this is the update today. Hope you like it. I see you next video. Bye.